This is Ahnaf Al-Adil, but you can call me Ahnaf because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on be verbs. Number 1, present. Am is are. Have has. Past was were had. Future will. Number 2, present simple. Sentence subject plus am is are. Noun. Example: I'm a student. You are a student. Past simple. Subject plus was plus noun. Example: I was a student. You were a student.